Disconnecting the plug from your seatbelt pretensioner is crucial to your SRS system working properly after reinstallation. There are different types of seatbelt plugs. One type is the push-up bar. Gently push up the bar to then remove the plug. Here's another one of these. Gently pull it up to then disconnect it. Here's another one, same style, to then disconnect. Another type of plug is the side tab push bar plug. All you need to do is push the tabs to release the plug. Another type of plug is the spring-loaded locking plug. To release it, you must push back the spring-loaded tabs on the side and then remove the plug. And after you reinstalled your seatbelt pretensioner, simply re-plug your plug back in and you're ready to go.